Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Hize Hoods is probably one of the most essential accessories for any cyclist, especially during those unpredictable weather days. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, having a reliable hood can significantly enhance your comfort and safety on the road. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Hize Hoods, exploring their features, benefits, and why they might just be the perfect addition to your cycling gear. Number 5. Roam Universal Bike Phone Mount. This mount uses a stretchy web design to securely grip smartphones. It fits any mobile fitting the measurements, like iPhone, Samsung, and other Android devices. The handlebar clamp fits various tube diameters, making it perfect for mountain bikes, road bikes, motorcycles, and more. It is designed for versatility. The durable silicone won't crack in extreme weather. The waterproof clamp and arms easily handle rain, snow, heat, and cold, ensuring its durability. The ball socket base reduces phone vibration over rough terrain. This protects your smartphone during mountain biking and other adventures. Tool-free setup with finger-tight adjustment makes it easy to install. This set includes all mounting hardware and 3 different sized nets. The mounting net keeps side buttons, camera, and ports accessible. You can adjust volume, use the camera and GPS, and even charge your phone while riding. The ball socket allows for portrait or landscape positioning. This lets you customize your viewing angle for GPS navigation and cycling apps. What we like. This mount features a secure net grip, ensuring your phone stays in place even on bumpy rides. It's also universally compatible, fitting various bike types. If you're a mountain biker or someone who frequently rides on rough terrains, you should consider this, as it's designed to absorb shocks and protect your phone. What people say. The hood is well designed and fits my bike perfectly. It effectively protects me from the rain and wind. The installation was straightforward and easy to do. Number 4. Ascher Bike Light Set, Ultra Bright and Easy Install. Introducing the Ascher Bike Light Set, designed for your safety. This set includes a powerful front headlight and a back taillight, ensuring you're seen on the road. Forget about batteries. This light set is USB rechargeable. The headlight has a 2000 mAh battery, and the taillight has a 330 mAh battery, providing long-lasting illumination. Choose the perfect mode for any situation. The lights offer 4 options: full brightness, half brightness, slow flashing, and fast flashing. Select the one that fits your needs. These lights are lightweight and easy to carry. They're also IPX4 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about the weather. The low battery indicator on the headlight will alert you when it's time to recharge. Installing this light set is a breeze. The headlight bracket easily attaches to your handlebars, and the silicone straps fit most seat posts. No tools are required, making setup quick and easy. This set is perfect for cycling, hiking, or any outdoor activity. You can even use it as an emergency flashlight. It's a versatile tool to keep you safe and visible. What we like. This bike light set is USB rechargeable, eliminating the need for batteries. It offers multiple light modes to suit different conditions. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install lighting solution for your night rides, this is the one for you. What people say. The hood is well designed and fits my bike perfectly. The hood effectively protects me from the rain and wind. The installation was straightforward. Number 3. Achiou Ski Mask Balaclava for Men/Women. Are you ready for winter adventures? This mask is designed to keep you warm and protected. It's perfect for skiing, snowboarding, or any outdoor activity. Shield yourself from the sun's harmful rays. This mask provides excellent UV protection, keeping your skin safe. It's lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Experience ultimate comfort with this lightweight design. It's breathable, preventing overheating during intense activities. You'll barely notice it's there. This mask is perfect for various activities. Whether you're riding a motorcycle or hitting the slopes, it's a must-have. It's designed for both men and women. Enjoy your snowboarding experience with this mask. It provides full face coverage, keeping you warm and protected from the elements. Get yours today. What we like. This ski mask provides excellent UV protection, shielding your face from the sun. Its lightweight design ensures comfort during extended wear. If you like a versatile face cover for various outdoor activities, this is a great choice. What people say. The hood is well designed and fits my bike perfectly. It effectively protects the rider from rain and wind. The installation process was straightforward. Number 2. Balaclava Ski Mask, Winter Face Mask. Facing the harsh winter. This mask is designed to keep you warm and protected. It is perfect for skiing, snowboarding, or riding your motorcycle. Whether you're hitting the slopes or cruising on your bike, this mask is your best friend. It provides full face coverage, shielding you from wind and snow. Made for both men and women, this mask is comfortable and easy to wear. You can wear it under a helmet or on its own, making it a versatile addition to your winter gear. Enjoy your favorite winter sports without worrying about the cold. This mask ensures your face and neck stay warm, allowing you to focus on the fun. Protect yourself from the elements while riding your motorcycle. This mask provides excellent coverage, keeping you warm and comfortable on the road. What we like. This balaclava is designed specifically for cold weather, keeping you warm and comfortable. It's perfect for skiing and snowboarding. If you are looking for a reliable face mask for winter sports, this is the one for you. What people say. The hood is well designed and fits my bike perfectly. It effectively protects me from rain and wind while cycling. The clear visor provides excellent visibility. Number 1. Cold Weather Balaclava Ski Mask. Facing the winter chill. This mask is your ultimate defense. It's designed to keep you warm and protected, no matter the weather. Don't let the elements stop you. This mask is both water-resistant and windproof, ensuring you stay comfortable and focused on your activity. Experience superior warmth with the soft fleece lining. It provides exceptional thermal insulation, keeping you cozy even in freezing temperatures. Perfect for skiing, cycling, or motorcycling. It's a versatile accessory for any winter adventure, providing full face and neck coverage. This mask is suitable for both men and women. It's the ideal gear for anyone looking to stay warm and protected during outdoor winter activities. What we like. This cold weather balaclava is water-resistant and windproof, providing excellent protection against the elements. The thermal fleece keeps you warm and cozy. If you like a face mask that offers superior protection against cold and wet conditions, you should consider this. What people say. The hood is well designed and fits my bike perfectly. It effectively protects me from the rain and wind. The installation was straightforward and easy to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.